Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your tech guru Kaiser. Welcome to my channel. We are going to start a beginner series on Python for beginners. So, today we are going to see the introduction about Python. So, welcome once again. What is Python? Many people have this question. There are many programming languages available, but what really makes special about Python? First of all, we'll understand what is Python is all about. Python is very popular programming language. Trust me. If you go to Stack Overflow, you will see plenty of communities available across Python. It's ranked among three, even though there are many other programming languages available, but Python is ranked among everyone top. It's a very popular, you will see a large huge community across Python, and it was created by Guido van Rossum. And I do remember the initial release was during 1990 and stable release was during 1991. Okay, and it's mainly used for web development. If you're into web development, if you're more into the backend development, server side scripting or applications, you can use Python very good. And you can use for software development, game development, desktop applications. Yes, you can create with help of Python programming language. And mathematics, if you are into data science, Python has plenty of packages related to data science, and which you can directly import and make best use of it rather than writing huge lines of codes. You can have a import those package and you can just focus on the logic which you are looking for. So mathematics, data science, you will see a plenty of packages available for Python. And system scripting, if you're a administrator, trust me, if you have a good understanding of Python, within a fewer lines you can write big logics, and you can manage the systems in a very good way. You can create a lots of administrative tasks with the help of Python, with the help of system scripting. So yeah, now you have an understanding about what is Python is all about. Now let's see what Python can do. Python can be used, as I said, for web development, server-side scripting, backend applications you can create. There are many frameworks, backend frameworks available, which Python frameworks available, which you can utilize, and you can create applications, backend applications. In a very rapid way. That's what I'm saying. Python is very good, and Python can be used to create game development, desktop applications, GUIs. You can create along with any kind of software as a part of workflow. You can introduce Python and make best use of it. And one big thing is that which I really like, that it's easy to connect with any database systems. Okay, if you have any kind of backend database where you want to store, where you want to read and modify the files, trust me, Python made it very easy for you guys. And Python can handle big data and mathematics, as I said, data science, lots of packages, readily available packages are available, and you can use it. And if you are a software startup, and if you want to do some kind of minimal viable product, MVP, and trust me, Python can help us to create a rapid prototyping. Within a fewer lines you can achieve the prototypes of what you're looking for. That software which you're looking for can be achieved with help of Python. So now you have a big understanding what Python can do. So now let's see why Python. There are many other programming languages available. Now the next question comes into your mind, why Python? So Python can be installed and worked across any platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. You take it, you can install and make it work. So there is no platform dependent. It's totally independent. You can install and make it work. And next is Python. It's a very simple syntax. Trust me, it's more like an English statement. It's a very simple syntax, and you will like it. If you're good with English, you will really love it when you started you developing these applications with help of Python. And Python has syntax that allows developers to write, trust me, in fewer lines when compared to any other programming languages. You can achieve the same logic in a very fewer lines with help of Python programming language. And one big thing is that Python is an interpreter system. Many people say that this is a disadvantage, but there are pros and cons available when you are using some interpreter system. That means once you have written the code, you can run it. There is no need for you to do any kind of compilation. There are pros and cons over it. I'll come to that later. But the biggest advantage is that it's an interpreter interpreter system. Okay, Python is not a compile system when compared to C and C++ and Java. And Python can be treated in a procedural way, either in an object oriented and functional. If you're good with oops concept, go ahead with object oriented. If you're good with the lambda functions, go ahead. If you want the mix of it, you can write a very procedural way with the help of Python. So now you understood why Python. Trust me, it's very easy, simple syntax, fewer lines. You can rapidly achieve the prototypes of your software with help of Python rather than writing hundreds and thousands of lines of codes, which you can achieve with the fewer lines with help of Python. So now you understood what is Python, what can Python do, why Python. So with this understanding, let's start our beginner series. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, because many parts of development series is coming, and don't forget to miss this. Thank you very much once again. Your Tech Guru Kaiser. Welcome to my channel. Thank you.